are producing widespread wind damage across south-central Iowa and north-central Missouri. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. for eastern Iowa. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. for the following county: Louisa, Iowa.
You are listening to NOAA weather radio station WXJ-73 in the Quad Cities. The current time is 5:21 p.m. Central Standard Time.
The following is a summary of watches, warnings, and advisories in effect. A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. for the following county: Louisa, Iowa. Tornado watch number 535 remains in effect until 9 p.m. for the following counties in Iowa: Cedar, Clinton, Louisa, Muscatine, and Scott, and the following counties in Illinois: Henry, Mercer, and Rock Island. A wind advisory remains in effect from 6 p.m. until 6 p.m. Thursday for the following counties in Iowa: Clinton, Louisa, Muscatine, and Scott, and the following counties in Illinois: Henry, Mercer, Rock Island, and Whiteside. A wind advisory remains in effect from 9 p.m. until 6 p.m. Thursday for the following county: Cedar.
What's happening? Oh, looks like it's not playing on this station. Here we are. Severe thunderstorm warning for Clinton, Iowa. Oh, another one.
The National Weather Service in the Quad Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Rock Island County in northwestern Illinois, northern Mercer County in northwestern Illinois, western Clinton County, southern Jones County, Louisa County in southeastern Iowa, Cedar County, Muscatine County, Scott County,
Rock Island County, Illinois.
At 5:20 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Ely to near West Branch to near Mount Union, moving northeast at 60 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Davenport, Moline, Rock Island, Bettendorf, Muscatine, East Moline, Anamosa, Tipton, West Branch, Wapello, Columbus Junction, Durant, Mechanicsville, Stanwood, Eldridge, DeWitt, Owen, Hill Valley, West Liberty, and Wilton. This includes the following highways: Interstate 74 in Iowa between mile markers 1 and 5. Interstate 80 in Iowa between mile markers 254 and 302. Interstate 74 in Illinois between mile markers 2 and 3. Interstate 280 between mile markers 1 and 18. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is a dangerous situation. These storms are producing widespread wind damage across south-central Iowa and north-central Missouri. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. for northwestern Illinois and southeastern Iowa. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. for the following counties in Illinois: Mercer and Rock Island, and the following counties in Iowa: Cedar, Clinton, Louisa, Muscatine, and Scott. A severe thunderstorm warning